has, have. In this video we will learn the rules to remember when to use has and when to use have in a given sentence. Has and have are used to show possession, which means to something that belongs to you or someone else. Now let us see the rules. When to use has. We use has with he, she, it, and singular nouns. He, when we are talking about one boy. She, when we are talking about one girl. It, when we are talking about animal or any non-living thing. Singular noun means anything that is singular. It can be a person, place, animal, or thing. Now let us see the rules for have. We use have with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. I, when we are talking about ourselves. We, when we are talking about ourselves and other people around us. You, when we are talking about someone around us. They, when we are talking about many people. Plural nouns means when we are talking about many people or many animals or many things. Then also we will use have. Now let us write the rule on the top and see some examples. He dash a parrot. Here we can see he in the sentence. Let us see the rule box. He is there. So with he we will write has. He has a parrot. She dash a doll. Here we have she in this sentence. Look at the rule box. She is there. So we will use has. She has a doll. Let us see the next sentence. It dash 7 colors. We have it in this sentence. Look at the rule box. It is there. So we will use has. It has 7 colors. Monica dash a cycle. Here in this sentence we have Monica, which is a singular noun. So we will use has. Monica has a cycle. Let us see the next sentence. We dash a big house. There is we in this sentence. Look at the rule box. With we use have. We have a big house. Monkeys dash long tail. Here monkeys a plural noun. So we will write here, have. Monkeys have long tail. Let us see the next one. You dash a balloon. Here we can see you in this sentence. Let us see the rule box. You is there in this rule box. So we will write here, have. You have a balloon. Let us see the next one. I dash a younger sister. In this sentence we can see I. Let us see the rule box. I is there in this rule box. So we will write here, have. I have a younger sister. They dash a red car. In this sentence we can see they. Let us see the rule box. They is there in the rule box. So we will write here, have. They have a red car. Now let us do some more exercises. I have mentioned both the rules at the top. So refer to the rules and solve the exercises. So let us see the first one. Molly dash long hair. Here Molly is a singular noun, and with singular noun we use has. Molly has long hair. Next is, we dash a holiday on Sunday. In this sentence we can see the word, we. So with, we will use, have. We have a holiday on Sunday. Let's look at the next one. My school, dash, a library. Here my school is a singular noun. And with singular noun, we use has. My school has a library. Next is, you dash a beautiful garden. In this sentence we can see the word, you. So with, you, we will use, have. You have a beautiful garden. Next is, she dash black eyes. In this sentence we can see the word, she. So with, she, we will use, has. She has black eyes. Next is, I dash many friends. In this sentence we can see the word, I. So with, I, we will use, have. I have many friends. Next is, they dash a test today. In this sentence we can see the word, they. So with, they, we will use, have. They have a test today. Next sentence is, it dash many pockets. In this sentence we can see the word, it. So with, it, we will use, has. It has many pockets. Next is, Eric and Emma dash an umbrella. In this sentence we can see Eric and Emma, a plural noun. So with, plural noun, we will use, have. Eric and Emma have an umbrella. Last is, he dash many pens. In this sentence we can see the word, he. So with, he, we will use, has. He has many pens. Now I hope you all have understood when to use has and when to use have in a sentence. Don't forget to revise the rules of has and have. Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more learning videos.